Okay, hey everyone. I got a gyro and I haven't made a bike check in a while, so I'm going to be making a bike check. Talia, be quiet, I'm making a bike check. Okay, so to begin, I have the Cardinal Ambassador frame, 21-inch top tube. Move on here to the grips. Sorry if the focusing sucks, I'm still getting used to it. Here we have Animal Edwin grips, the flangeless version. Odyssey mono lever, fly nylon bar ends. For the upper cable here, I have the Odyssey upper cable. These are Primo Tallboy handlebars. They're pretty good handlebars, I'm liking them so far. And then we have the Shadow Conspiracy Attack top load stem. Eastern headset. Here we have the gyro tab, the upper gyro plate. Actually, it's a gyro plate. This here is my my snafu detangler, and then it's got the gyro tabs here. For the lower cable, I have an Odyssey lower cable as well. That seat over there is an animal seat. This tire here is a Primo Dirt Monster 20 by 2.20. I have it in both the front and the back. Here we have a We the People Slim Toxic. This peg is just for if I have a rough concrete ledge that I don't want my back plastic peg to be eaten up by. I just throw this one on there. Forks are Primo Strands. They're really good forks. They're definitely putting up with what I put them through. The hub is a Primo N4 flangeless with the integrated hub guards. They're Primo forged spokes. And then we have the Primo Balance 7005 rim in both the front and the back. This bike is pretty much cardinal frame with Primo parts. Here we have violet. I think that's everything for over here. 43 hardware barrel adjuster, Odyssey Evo 2 hanger, regular straddle cable. Here we have the Primo analog lite sprocket with Primo powerbite cranks and Primo stricker magnesium pedals and a KMC chain. My bottom bracket is also Primo. Here we have the Primo Ebrake with fly bikes, zapatas, brake pads. They're right here, you can't see them very well, but they're black. Already showed you the wheel and the the tire and the rim. Federal version 2 freecoaster hub. Oh, my bike fell. Okay, but Federal version 2 freecoaster hub. Let me pick it back up, or this isn't going to work very well. That was a fail on my part. This isn't working out, let's see. How's that? Sorry for this this little pause we have to take here. There we go. Okay. Federal version 2 freecoaster hub. There's Ted. This is a We the People, not We the People, the other one's We the People. This is the stolen thermalite peg with an FBM hub guard. We told you about the animal seat, and then we have a Primo 330 seat post, old Haro seat post clamp. I think that's everything, but I could be wrong. If I am, everything's in the description of the video along with the weight. If you have any questions about it, just let me know. And also, today I uploaded a video of a super slow motion bar spin, so I will put that a link both in the description and in the as an annotation here, so you can go check that out. You guys were wanting it, so I did one for you guys real quick. Goodbye.